Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is so exciting if you're a Disney stan like I am. You guys will be stoked for this collection. Today we're gonna be playing around with the new Colourpop and High School Musical collection. I'm so excited. So I have the collection right here. I'll be doing swatches, a tutorial review. You guys know the drill. This collection did launch today. It is already available. As of right now when I'm filming this, everything in the collection is still in stock, so that's really good. If you guys want to save a little bit of extra money, you guys can just use my code. It's just KATRINA. It'll save you 10% off this collection and the rest of the Colourpop website. Love High School Musical. I remember the day that High School Musical came out. I was in 5th grade. I always had the debate with my friends of High School Musical and High School Musical 2, which one is better. I personally like High School Musical 2 more. But High School Musical, the first one, it's a classic. You can never go wrong. I was a Camp Rock girl, but I love all the Disney movies. Like, don't get me wrong. I love all of them. So, also, let's do a Camp Rock collab. Let's do it. Let's just make all the Disney things happen because I'm a Disney girl and I love seeing Disney collabs. Okay, so let's go ahead and jump right into this collection. Like I said, this is already available. The PR box is available online right now, or you can buy the collection by itself. The only thing is just the PR box. It comes in the PR box. That's the only difference between that and buying the collection by itself. So the full PR box is $99 and then the full collection is $95. So you're paying $4 more for the box. First thing that we have in the collection is the East High Shadow Palette. It looks like a little book, which I love. It has the Wildcats on the front, and then you open it up. It opens up like a little book. It says Property of Wildcats, East High School. Has everyone's names on the side over here. And then we have the shadows on this side. This is a 15-pan palette. And we have some neutrals, some colors, shimmers. There are no pressed glitters, but there are some Super Shocks in here. And yeah, the names are really fun. There are some like imprints in some of the shadows, like East High School, the Wildcats, and like little paws in this one. Super cute. I'll read you the names. We have Creme Brulee, Big Game, Was That a Cell Phone, Scholastic Decathlon, Chad, Gabriella, Student Body, Twinkletown, Ryan, Something New, Sharpay, Troy, Shoot Baskets, Taylor, and Detention. Yeah, so that was the palette, and this retails for $24. The thing that we have in the collection are 3 pressed powder blushes. Comes in this cute red little packaging. These are in the cardboard packaging. Just says High School Musical on the front. And then I also love that, I don't know, just a palette. The palette itself doesn't say this, but the unicorn for the palette does. It says class of 2008. I don't know why, because I was not class of 2008. I was 10 when this movie came out, but I don't know why, I just love that. But the blushes do say class of 2008 on the back of these. Again, just like a little touch, but I really like it. So we have 3 of the blushes, and we have Wildcats, Freaky Genius Girl, and Playoffs. These retail for $14 each. Wildcats is a really pretty like nude blush. We have Freaky Genius Girl. This one is like a more brighter pink. It has like a little bit of a blue undertone to it. It's like kind of on the cooler side, on the cooler tone side. And then Playoffs is like a really pretty like warm mauvey rosy shade. I love this. It's actually the one that I have on right now. So those are the 3 blushes. We have a cream gel liner trio. I love this. These are like the Wildcats colors. It's red, white, and gold. So we have Spring Musical, In This Together, and Exit. So these are the 3 cream gel liners. This comes in a trio, and the trio retails for $21. Red and gold one are metallic, and then Exit is just a matte white. This is one of their like permanent shades. I just did it in like the High School Musical packaging, but it says High School Musical on it. It has little stars on the caps. So those are the 3 cream gel liners in here. And lastly, we have 3 Just A Tints. You can buy this in a set or you can buy these individually. But we have Cello, Status Quo, and Pop and Lock. I love this. This is very much like the like cafeteria scene names, so I love that. The set is $25, or individually they are $9. I'm so excited to see Just A Tints back. Please bring them back. I love these so much. They're like one of my favorite lip products from Colourpop. I love me a tinted lip balm. But yeah, so Status Quo is a like nudie shade, and then Cello is more on like the pinky red side, and then Pop and Lock is just a bright pink. Again, these are Just A Tint, so they're not extremely pigmented, so they're not super, super bright. I have Pop and Lock on right now. You can tell it's not like a bright pink, but it's still a brighter pink. One is like a cherry red, like a bright cherry red. Those are the 3 Just A Tints. And yeah, so that is everything in this collection. I'm so excited. I just get really excited when Disney collabs happen because I love Disney, and yeah, definitely a Disney adult. So this makes me so happy. They've done Lizzie McGuire. They've done High School Musical. It's possible to do Hannah Montana, I'm telling you. We would all gag for Hannah Montana. I'm just saying. I would love to see a High School Musical 2 collection, because if you have seen High School Musical 2, coloring in that movie is so bright and vibrant. Like when I think of that movie, I think of blue. Like there's so much blue and everything is so bright in that movie. So High School Musical 2 collection, can we see it? Something nice, bright and blue, like with a bunch of blues. I would love that. Yeah, so let me know in the comments down below, who's your favorite High School Musical character? Mine is Sharpay. Are we surprised? Are we surprised? But yeah, I'll link everything down below for you guys. Like I said, everything is still available at the time of me filming this. It just launched today. So yeah, this is a look that I came up with today using the collection. So if you guys want to see how I got this look right here and to hear my final thoughts on this collection, then just keep watching. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and start off with the palette. Kind of have a look in mine. So I'm going to start off with Was That a Cell Phone? I'm just going to do a light wash of this in my crease just so I kind of have like a nice little transition shade. It's kind of like a little bit, it's not too brown, because I think I'm going to do something more on the pink and purpley side. So I just want like a really light wash of this, just because the next color that I'm going in with is kind of dark. So I don't want to just do something dark right away with no transition or anything. Once I have that shade down, again, just doing a very light wash of it, I'm going to go in with Taylor. It is the like purple shade in here. I'm going to start off with this shade lightly in the outer corner and then drag that into the crease and then just build it up as I go. I don't want to start off too harsh just because it'll be a little bit harder to blend out that way. So I'm just taking it a little bit at a time and just focusing this on the outer corner and then dragging that into my crease. I go in with a little bit of a smaller brush just to kind of define this outer corner a little bit more. Kind of bringing that a little bit on my lid, just like halfway. Okay, so this shade was perfect. I love this color a lot. It's like such a pretty shade that's like purpley pink. I love it. For the lid, I'm going to go in with Sharpay. Obviously, I love Sharpay so much, so I'm taking this one. It's just a really pretty shimmery pink. I'm going to take this with my finger first, then I might go in with my brush, but I'll probably just use this with my fingers. And I'm just going to put this on the lid. The shade is super pretty. It's like a perfect pink for Sharpay. It has some sparkles in there, which I love. I might take my brush with this and wet it a little bit. Just so it's like nice and pigmented. I mean, it's pigmented. I just want it a little bit more like intense. So I'm just taking some on a flat brush. I just dampened that a little bit with my You to the People hydrating mist. That's what I use usually. And I'm just going to tap this on. And it just makes it a little bit more metallic. And the sparkle definitely shines a lot more when you dampen it. Just a little bit more intense. But it's still really pretty on its own. I'm going to go back a little bit with Taylor and just kind of re-intensify this outer corner and just blend that into the lid shade. Do that on this eye really quick and then I'll be right back. I'm going to probably do my foundation and stuff as well. So then we'll come back and finish up the lower lash line and use the blushes and stuff. So BRB. Okay, I went ahead and just finished up this eye and then I did my foundation and my bronzer and stuff right now. So we're going to try out one of the blushes. We have 3 of them. I think I'm going to use... I kind of like this one, even though it's the darkest one. This one is Playoffs. I'm going to take a little bit of it and see how it looks. These ones are matte. So I'm just taking a little bit and dusting some of it off. Okay, that's pretty. It's really, really pretty. It's like a nice dark rose shade, but it goes really nice with this eye look. Cute. It doesn't look too much, so just if it's a little too dark for you, just dust some off. And go on really lightly. It's really pretty. This would also be a really pretty eyeshadow as well. Oh, that is really cute. Okay, we have some eyeliners in here. We have a red, gold, and a white. So these are like the Wildcat colors, which I love. The white one is Exit, which is like a liner that they usually have. But we also have Spring Musical and In This Together. I'll do red in the waterline. Let's see how it looks, even though this is pink. Let's see. Ooh, I really like this color. I mean, you guys know I love red eyeliners, so like, are you guys surprised? But this is like a really pretty, like true red. and it has some sparkle in it, or like it's a little metallic. I'm not gonna go all the way in. I'm going like about to the end right here. Actually really like this. It's super pigmented. It's like the perfect red. It doesn't lean too pink or too orange. It's like a true red eyeliner. So I love this. It's really pretty. And then for the lower lash line, I'm just going to take the same colors that I took on the top, on the bottom. So I'm just going to go in with Taylor. And I'm going to smudge out that red liner a little bit and just put this on the outer corner. I'm taking Taylor the same amount that I took the red eyeliner in, so I'm not going all the way in. And then I'm going to take a little bit of Sharpay on the inner part of the lower lash line, so whatever is still blank over here, I'm just taking a little bit of Sharpay. And for the inner corner, I'm going to take Twinkle Town. This one is a Super Shock shadow, I believe. It's like this really pretty, like sparkly white. I'm just going to take this right on the inner corner. Ooh, this is so pretty. It has like a little bit of a, I don't even know, like the sparkle in here is so pretty. It has like, does it have a little bit of gold? It's like a silver with like a gold shift to it almost. It has some glitter in it. It's super pretty. That is gorge. I love that. I'm gonna go ahead and just do my nose contour and then finish up the rest of my face like with the lashes and stuff, so I'll be right back. Okay, so we're just about finished. I went ahead and just contoured my nose and put on some lashes. Love this look so far. I love pink eyeshadow, so like obviously this is like no surprise, but I'm feeling myself. The last part that we have are the Just A Tints, which I'm so excited to see these in here. I feel like they very much fit the vibe for like high school and stuff, but if you guys have been following me forever, the Just A Tints were my jam for like the longest time. So I'm so happy to see some new ones. We have Cello, Status Quo, and Pop and Lock, which I love the names. I'm deciding between these two right here. I think I might do this one. Let me see. Yeah, I'm gonna do maybe, let's see how this one looks. This is the pink one. Oh yeah, this is perfect. It's like not too pink. It looks like it's really bright in the packaging, but it's like the perfect amount of sheerness. All right, so this is the finished look. Again, I love this look. I love pink eyeshadow. It's like right up my alley. I love the Just A Tint, so like this is very much my vibe right now. So let me give you guys my final thoughts on everything. For the palette, I do really like it. I like the colors in here. I do wish that the names were a little bit more fun. Like we just have like Chad, Sharpay, like the names of the characters and stuff, you know, but I wish like some of them were like a little bit more like punny or something like along the lines of like the stuff from the movie. But like, you know, we have like Creme Brulee was at a cell phone, like things like that, something new. But like, I wanted a little bit more from the names, but other than that, I mean, I like the palette. I think the colors in here are really pretty. I like that we have some colorful shadows in here. I like a Sharpay stand, so I was like, what do they have for Sharpay? Like, it better be pink, obviously. So this is like a really pretty pink. It's like perfect for her. Palette is good. I really like the blushes. All three of them are really pretty. Again, I wish the names were like a little bit more fun. I think that's just kind of the ongoing theme here. So I just was like, I wish the names were a little bit more fun or something for the products. Like we just have like Playoffs, Wildcats, Freaky Genius Girl is kind of cute. But yeah, I don't know. I mean, I like the colors of the blush. This one I have on right now, which is Playoffs, is really pretty. I love how I went with this look. Wildcats is a really pretty, like nice nude neutral blush. So if you don't want something like brighter, this is perfect. I love when they come out with blushes like this. I really like the eyeliners actually. I know one of them is Exit, which is just a permanent color in Colourpop's line, but this red eyeliner is so pretty. It's like a true red, which is really hard to find sometimes because a lot of times the reds lean more pink or a little bit more like on the orangey red side, and this one is a true red. Like in the waterline, it's really pretty. I can't wait to use this again. Gold in here is really pretty. I mean, the shades in here are perfect. It's like the Wildcat colors, you know? And I love the Just A Tints. I love these products so much. They're definitely one of my favorite products, like lip products from Colourpop. I love a sheer lip product, a lip tint, lip balm, lip oil, whatever it is. Those are always going to be my favorites, so I love these so much. I definitely think if you're going to pick anything up, I mean, obviously the palette, it's like a collector's item kind of thing, obviously. One of the blushes, and I think they might be selling the eyeliners separately. I haven't checked, but if anything, the red one is really pretty. And the Just A Tints, you can never go wrong with these. These are perfect for every day. Even the pink one, it's not super bright, so even this, like, you can just throw it on and call it a day. So I really like that a lot. That's why I love the Just A Tint so much, because I like love wearing them on like an everyday basis. But yeah, I'm super happy with the collection. I think it's really cute, really fun, and if you're like a Disney stan like I am and you like High School Musical, I definitely would recommend picking some things up. Is the palette like the most craziest thing we've ever seen before? No, but again, it's more of a collector's thing, honestly. It's High School Musical. How can you go wrong, you know? Like, if you like High School Musical, I would say pick up anything from this collection. I'm sure you'll be happy with it. So, yeah, anyways, let me know in the comments down below what you guys think of this collection. Are you guys going to pick anything up? Did you guys pick anything up already? But yeah, anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys did like this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if not subscribed already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.